Alright guys, so today we're going to be going through and doing a timing belt and kind of general tune-up. I got an 89 Toyota Supra here with the 1JZ in it. Got an R154 for the trans. As you can see, it's a bit of a beater at this point, but with any luck, we're going to get things tuned up and get the car looking good, running good, and then eventually add some more power to it. So stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started here. Gonna start by obviously draining the radiator. Get something down there to catch all the fluids. Drain the radiator, remove the intake charge pipe, get ourselves some room, take the front fan off, and then start working from there. All right, so we've got pretty much most of the front pulled out here. So we've got the bolt pulled out for the crank, but now the crank pulley is actually pressed on. So we've got to go run some additional tools, get a puller, and we'll be back. All right, guys, so we made it back to the shop here. Getting ready to get the pulley put on there. But big thing, take a look at this timing belt here. Look at all those cracks in it. That's what we're trying to replace today. Getting pretty close to just snapping on us and causing some serious engine damage. So, gonna get that cleaned up and ready to go. All right, guys, so we've got the timing cover back on right now. Got the crank pulley back in place, so we're going to start working on getting the serpentine belt put back in there, getting the radiator reconnected, the fan, all that good stuff. So here's what we've got going on so far. As you can see, things are starting to come back together, so we'll get back to it. All right, what's up, guys? We got everything buttoned back up. Everything pretty much should be ready to go to start. Got the radiator back in, got all the hard lines, intake put back on, all that good stuff. So I got some Kool-Aid here. Gonna fill up the radiator and give her a start. See what happens. Alright guys, everything seems to be in order. We're going to let this warm up for a little bit. Let it cycle the coolant through, make sure we don't have any leaks, anything like that. Yeah. Alright, so working on bleeding the air bubbles out of the cooling system. You can see got some bubbles working their way out here. So we don't have the nice way of doing this with the funnel on top that attaches to the radiator cap. Lets the system pressurize, so we got to do it the old way. So. Alright guys, so everything seems to be working just fine. I think we're all good, so just going to let the car continue to warm up and build pressure, and we'll see you guys a bit later.